that just changes you altogether. You will feel positive about yourself. You will feel that, okay, yes, so there's something really good that's going to happen to you. I have a squirrel in front of me. I don't know why it just came in my window, so please ignore. So just a second. So it just went away. Hi everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are watching me for the first time, I am Shreya and I make all kinds of videos. So before starting off with today's video, first of all, I'm really sorry for going MIA. I know that I have been irregular with my videos, but now I am going on smoothly and I'll be uploading my videos on every Tuesday and Saturday as I have mentioned before. So today's video is really special. I mean, it's special in the sense it's important in today's world, in today's times, and I just wanted to speak about it. I wanted to share my views about it. I wanted to share the, of how to overcome the anxiety and everything. So without wasting any time, let's begin with today's video. I think that all of you must be aware of the recent suicide case about like a Bollywood actor, Sushant Singh Rajput. The news says, the report says that he has been going through depression. He has been chopped out from films. He wasn't getting invited to certain parties, and everything just led that to depression. The one most important thing I would like to highlight is that we all know that money is really important for surviving in this whole situation, in this whole chaos. But he had money, he had everything. I think he had almost everything in his life. He wanted to do something, he owned it, he had a telescope, he had everything, but still he wasn't happy with his own life, which led him to take a huge step. Suicide is itself a very heavy thing, and doing that, taking the decision of doing that, it's really, we can't even imagine of how he had felt, what he had gone through, what was his mind going through. We cannot, I wouldn't even speak about it because we are nowhere near to that part at all. So in my today's video, we all know that somewhere or the other we all have our own struggles. We have our own depression, we have our own anxiety problems, we have our own issues with certain things which have etched a mark in our life. And there are many people who are vocal about it, and there are lots and lots of people who are still, in a nutshell, they are still inside the shell. They are shy of seeking help, or they are shy to even talk to a friend. There are loads and loads of people, and depression is something that when it's something that over a certain amount of time you start realizing that you have a certain issue that's bothering you. You have a certain, now I have a squirrel in front of me. I don't know why it just came in my window, so please ignore. So just a second. So it just went away. So in my today's video, now I am not a professional, I am not a psychologist, or I haven't done any psychology study or anything of that sort, but with the utmost things which has happened, which I have gone through, which I have experienced, which I have seen people gone through, which I have heard from people. So, and after reading a lots and lots of articles about it, I personally feel that this video is really important, at least in my channel, because I wanted, if I have shared, if I'll be sharing and speaking with you guys, I bet that many of you would find the courage, many of you wouldn't even need a helping hand or something. You can help yourself, and that's the major goal which you'll be achieving if you're going through any of this. So the first point would be identify and acknowledge the things which you're going through. Now, this whole process might take really long, because accepting the fact that you are undergoing something or accepting the fact that something or the other is bothering you, it's not right the way you're behaving or anything of that sort, the acceptance period it might take long, but acknowledging it and accepting it and trying to overcome it is a really great deal. And you can achieve this by talking to a friend, talking to your parents if you feel like, talking to some elder sister or brother if you have, talking to a really close one whom you feel that might acknowledge and might understand of what you're telling them, what you're trying to make them understand. It's very important for a person who is going through any sort of depression or sadness and everything. It's very important to get the point what you're trying to make the other person understand and reciprocate the same. So if at all you don't get the same amount of reciprocation or the reciprocation which you are actually looking forward to, if you don't get the same thing, the situation just turmoils it all together. So please make sure to choose very selective person, and the person whom you think that you can trust, and the person who can actually understand you and knows you in and out. So in that way the communication will be really strong. The amount of help which you'll be getting would be really genuine and it will actually help you out. The second would be try to structure your day. So report says that structuring your day and figuring out your activities beforehand, and when you have your work schedule properly done, it regulates your sleep and it actually improves your mental health. So one more major reason of me making this video is promoting about mental health, talking about mental health, because that's really important. Keeping a positive mind and a peaceful mind is really important, even if you're working at your office or dealing with any sort of activities or any sort of thing. A mental health, if it's in a positive and if it's in a creative side, that improves your body, that regulates everything, that just changes you altogether. You will feel positive about yourself, you will feel that okay, yes, so there's something really good that's going to happen today. So mental health is very important, and if you feel that something or the other is irking you or a person is really disturbing you, so try to make sure to put your point forward. Try to make sure of what you are actually going through, of what's bothering you. Try to make sure to put that point forward in order to overcome it, because if you keep all that things to yourself and try to be nice to other people irrespective of knowing that that is actually bothering you, that might just kill up the situation altogether. So all I'm saying is that be vocal about yourself, no matter what, no matter if the other person is not understanding, or if the other person is not going through, or if the other person has a completely different lifestyle altogether from yours. But still, in a way, you shouldn't be keeping quiet about yourself. So structuring your day, it means that you can beforehand figure out of what all the activities which you'll be doing, of what are the household chores which you'll be doing. And I'm especially talking in this lockdown situation because we are all stuck at home. So being at home also makes us very lonely. I know that there are other people in your family, but at the most, how much time will you spend? You have been gazing around and hangouts with your friends and everything, so you are at some point of time missing all those things. So in this situation, there are millions other things to figure out, there are millions other things to do. You can enjoy small activities with your family members, with your siblings or anything. So don't just keep gazing around and keep building up castles in the air. So that is what I'm trying to tell you guys. Third point would be seek professional help. So as I've already mentioned, I am not a professional person, but with all the surroundings and everything, I am trying to figuring out few points, and I try to make this video very useful for each one of you. Even if you're not doing great, even if you are happy with your own life, you can definitely go ahead and watch it. It's not that I'm only targeting towards those people who are going through some mental illness or depression or anything. people with good vibes, people with positive attitude towards life, they can also watch it. It's no harm. You won't be harmed by watching it. You won't be harmed by knowing some general facts. You won't be harmed by knowing some general knowledge. So it's for everyone. So if at all you think that you actually need professional help, so seek for it. Go to some elderly person of your family or some friend who would actually guide you and seek a professional help. So a professional help, that might be some sessions with a psychologist, or you may be prescribed some medicines for a good amount of sleep and meditation and do yoga and everything. So seek professional help. Reach out to your peer group or the comfortable group you have. So in isolation, people have been going, gaga, anxiety, depression and everything is happening because of lack of human interaction with others. So when you know that you have a compatible thing with your friends group, this friends group particularly, so try to have a genuine talk with them each and every day. Try to video call them, have a really group video chat, and talk continuously in video, WhatsApp groups and everything about some happenings of what you cook or what you ate today or what's the interesting thing that happened today. Talking with other people, I know that it's virtual, but in a way that really helps out. So please make sure not to sit in isolation, not to overthink, and don't just allow yourself to gain all the negative things. You are the person who is going to help out yourself. So I think that and this point of video, you are getting what I'm trying to say is that you are your best judge. You are the best person who can help out yourself. The fifth point would be recognize of what keeps you happy and what keeps you motivated. So in my case, I really do enjoy working. I really do enjoy making videos, filming them. The whole process altogether just motivates me. I don't know how it does, but it really does. Editing and figuring out of what are the new aspects of where I can make my videos, ideating on my videos, it just helps me to gain a really good peace of mind. So for others, you can go for cycling. You can have a really good video chat with your loved one. You can have a very good video chat with your friends, with your school friends, with your college friends. Talk to them. Cook, make something really special for your family, and water the plants. Gardening is also a very soothing process of keeping your mind calm and keeping yourself positive. You can just gaze around and take pictures. We all have our cell phones in our hand, and the sky is beautiful. You may find really amusing things in the sky. The clouds, the formations of the clouds. Sometimes or the other you might find a rainbow, and it's raining. And in this lockdown process, I have noticed so many beautiful birds near my window. Now I'm not kidding. I have seen so many beautiful birds, and the morning when I wake up, I hear so many beautiful voices of the birds. So that's really calming me, and that's really keeping me motivated in this lockdown situation. So the sixth point and the last point would be self-affirmation is really important. So imagine that you have a goal in your life. Imagine that you want really hard to achieve something, and keeping yourself positive about it is really important. Focusing on the good qualities of you, figuring out and chalking out the qualities which you are the best at, that is really important. So you have a goal, like I have a goal where I really do want to do well in YouTube. Now it's not about the fame, it's not about the money, it's not about anything of that sort. It's about me communicating with loads and loads of millions of people, and my main motives are especially to motivate all you guys, so that you all raise your voice whenever it's needed, to make sure that you people are doing well, to give you some tips and tricks of which I find is genuine, which I find it useful, and that might be helpful for you guys. And it's I know that it's virtual, but building a family, creating a community is much more greater. And when I read your comments, I really feel happy about it. So many of you comment so many things, and it just makes my day. So the amount of support which I'm getting right now, and I would really want too many supporters for me, so as to make me genuinely sit in this place and make videos for you guys. That was it for today's video, guys. I really do hope that all of you find it really useful and helpful, and if you know some friend who's going through such situation, you can definitely go ahead and share this video with your loved one, with the person whom you care about, and please leave out your comments as to what are your thoughts on this particular topic. If at all you're going through something and you can relate, or any of the tips would be really helpful for you, please don't forget to comment down below. I'll be reading all your comments, and please make sure to keep yourself happy and keep yourself motivated. And I know that it's really over the top, but I have seen really many people keeping their status and everything, whenever you need someone, talk to me or call me or just text away. That's just really foolish of those people, of giving out those statuses and messages, because nobody is coming out of their nutshell and just telling you about it just like that. So building a connection, building a community is really important in order to be comfortable and talk about such sensible and such sensitive things actually. So I wouldn't tell you guys to comment down below as to what you're going through, but I would genuinely tell you guys to comment down below as to what were your thoughts while watching this. Then stay safe, keep yourself happy, stay motivated, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.